Hey, what's up everybody? It's Landon with LMR.com. It's that day of the week. It's Dyno Day. No doubt about it, it's my favorite day of the week, and I know it's your favorite day of the week as well. So the car we're dynoing today is a 2010 Ford Crown Victoria, or Crown Vic, with the police Interceptor package. So this was one of the cars that was recommended down in the comments, so we are listening to you guys. So keep those comments coming, as we already have a pretty good list thus far. So this particular 2010 Crown Vic belongs to one of our employees, Eric Young. He's a great guy, does some really good work for us, and around here we call him Sunshine. So his Crown Vic, for the most part, drivetrain, powertrain, it's relatively stock. Engine-wise, there is some light port work to the throttle body and plenum. Still the factory exhaust manifold, factory mid-pipe with 4 cats, but it does have a really good sounding Magnaflow catback. It does have a 4R75W automatic transmission, so our pulls will be made in 3rd gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio, aluminum drive shaft, and it does have a set of 14 gears out back. While we're at the rear of the car, it does still have the 17-inch police Interceptor wheel, and that is wrapped in a 275/50/17 tire. By the way, I don't think I mentioned, 2010 Crown Vics had a 4.6 Farva, or 4.6 liter engine, that was rated at 250 horsepower and 279 pound-feet. Sunshine's car does have about 149,204 miles, give or take. 93 octane fuel is in the tank, and it does have an SET strategy tune. So all the technical data out of the way, take a quick trip around the car, make sure our straps are tight, loading up the torque, make sure all of our computer stuff's good. So we're gonna make a dyno run right now. All right, people, meow, let's check out some results. Sunshine's Crown Vic is making 198 horsepower at 5,200 RPM and 238 pound-feet of torque at 4,200 RPM. What the car has done to it, pretty respectable. Just by talking to him, he wants to punt the 4R75 slush box in the trash and do like a 5-speed swap, maybe some headers, so on and so forth. Nitrous, we're car guys, we want to turn the wick up. All right, people, wrapping it all up. Again, keep those comments coming. Let us know what you'd like to see us dyno. Again, we'll do our best to acquire that vehicle and get it on the dyno. We're gonna sign off for the day. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.